India has successfully been able to retain its culture and creativity for years, there is definitely a dire need to preserve our culture and the skill of artisans involved in their creations. Bamboo is extensively used in India by tribals for artwork and is grown in many areas. The tribal artisans of Assam, Kerala, West Bengal, Tripura have been creating their artwork for ages. Cane and bamboo are one of two essential products found in Bengal households. Products like assembled basket, ornamental trays, lamp, sets, tea table, monitors, hanging, etc. are the few examples of the bamboo handicrafts widely used in West Bengal. In response to urbanization and globalization, many people around the world enjoy handmade products that are imbued with accumulated knowledge and cultural values of the craft people. It is rich tradition and intangible cultural heritage. Sometimes an entire village is specialized in a particular traditions, with artistic value and techniques passes from one generation to next. Namaste to all friends and followers. If you have any questions, write on comments box. Have a good day.